This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear your cookies in the Safari web browser. I'll be using an Apple iPhone SE to do this. First thing you need to do is click on Settings. Then you will scroll down to where you see it says Safari and select that. Tap on that. Now you'll scroll down to where you see it says Clear History and Website Data and tap on that. And as you can read there, it says clearing will remove history, cookies, and other browsing data. Go ahead and tap on Clear History and Data. And that's it. I've just cleared my cookies. Thanks for watching.